Very unfortunate. This is the second time. After Hailstorm, one flood has taken place, and this is the third time, I think, including the Hailstorm. Very unfortunate. But I'm happy that all the machineries in engaging, and particularly from the central government also. Two NDRF teams has already sent with equipments, and here the state police force and the Assam Rifles, Fire Brigade and the paramilitary forces and the MRIR, all are getting involved. BLS volunteer also working 24/7, and all possible help government is going to provide. And now rescue operation from the internal villages are taking place. I think we have to be a little bit careful if rain is there. So another 1 day, 1 or 2 days more, we have to be. Very unfortunate two accident at Shanapati area. One is the doctor. He was coming back from the duty to his home place, but unfortunately he met the landslide and he died on the spot. And one boy was drowned. That is only two.